When using Google in a browser, you have two different accounts actually running. So this first circle over here indicates your Google account. This circle up here indicates your browser account. Now, most single sign-on applications are actually looking at this sign-on and not this one. So to change it up here, you want to click on that circle. If you don't see your other accounts listed, you're just going to click Add. Once you add, you can pick any picture you like, and then you can name this. I want to call this, it's going to give the person's name. Now it says create a desktop shortcut for this user. Make sure that's checked off because that will give you a Google Chrome icon for the internet, but specifically for your account. If you click Add, from here, you'll just click Get Started. Now on this page, just click Next. Choose your landscape or your background. You click Next. Again, continue. Sign on with the new account. Once you do that, you'll click Next. So use your school account here, your school account password, and it will set up right here a whole new browser option for this account. Hope that helps with changing your account name for your Chrome browser.